Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for coming by. Today we are doing another exercise session and there's no better time to exercise than now. We have Lirato here to help us with our exercise.
Hello everybody, so thank you so much for coming in and joining us. Today we're doing another 15-minute session.
Okay.
And it means that you've got no excuse. You can do it in the morning, at night, during your lunch. Especially when you're working at home, you can actually exercise anytime. Remember, it's all about to move. You gotta move, you gotta just move. So just make sure that just to get your heart rate going, whether you're doing 10,000 steps, just move. So warm up, right? We're going to do toe touches, but we're going to shuffle to touch, shuffle to touch. So we're going to do that for a minute.
Alright.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
I will also show you. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So 1, 2, touch.
Ooh,
Nice.
yeah. Now foot is up.
Yes. Okay, so we're going to do something called an inchworm.
Okay.
I feel like we've done it before.
I don't know. Show it to me.
But yeah,
Show it to me, baby.
let me show you mine. Let me show you mine. Okay, so you're going to stick just here, right? Slightly bend your knees and come down. You walk your hands forward. You get into a plank position. You come back up. And you repeat.
No, that's not happening yet. You have no idea how long I've been working to make sure that happens.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
But
I don't know if it's
your
my
wrist.
joints, my wrist,
Okay,
which are too weak.
okay.
Yeah.
So what we can do is go even here. Okay. Remember where we were last time? And then come back. Not all the way.
Let me try one
Let's see.
and then see. Yeah.
Let's see. I believe we can do it.
No, I've been working hard
I
to
got
make
faith.
sure that happens.
I got faith in you. I got it. Let's see.
I saw a friend of mine do it on Instagram. And when I went to the gym, I was like, okay, let me try what Denise was doing. It didn't happen, but you never know.
You never know.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Bend. So that you can come down and touch. Right? Yeah, even that is fun. And then you walk your hands. So yeah, so pace yourself. The aim is so pace yourself. The aim is not to want to go quickly forward.
okay.
It's to
So
even
the thing is-
to get here and be stable.
Because I still have the tummy roll.
Yes. It's not an excuse.
It's not an excuse.
It's not an excuse.
So let me maybe do it differently. Because
Yes. So that's what I'm saying. You can come here. Right?
So I can't touch them.
That's fine. So then come here. Can you do this? Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's move then. Move your hands slowly, so you can come. So that as you move forward, then you can eventually put then your palms then on the mat. Okay. Even though you go on your knees, it's fine. As long as you can just get that motion going. Yes. Okay. Yes. But remember, from this point, put your palms flat.
Oh, okay.
Do you know what I mean? So literally from there, before you even get here. Are we doing it today? Today in corner. Listen. Okay. Alright. Today, Bona. Tomorrow, when you go to the gym, you'll be like, let me show you.
Okay.
Okay. Yep. open up the legs, it's fine, yep. And then walk. Remember to, as soon as you can, put your palms, go for it. Yes. And back. Yes. You can, yes. Sharp. I'm happy with that. Okay,
wow.
we do it again. Let's go. Okay. Let's do it. We'll do as many as we can in a minute.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, open up the legs. Right. Yes. Okay. And walk your arms. Remember to put your palms as you go. Yes. There you go. Yes. Yep. Bend the knees. Okay. Which one wants this? Okay. So when you come back, I'm happy for you to come back on your knees like this, and then you can go up. Okay. Let's do it again.
Okay. You're not giving up, right?
No, wait. I saw it there. Alright, man. Let's do it. Again. We're gonna do 2 more.
Wow.
Okay. So here's what I'm saying. See how I'm starting? Open up like this so that you can come down. Okay. Yes. Okay, walk. Okay, palms. Yes. Right. Okay. And I'm happy for you to go back and remember, bring your knees down. Yes. And bring the knees down. Yeah, that's what we're doing. There you go. Okay. Up again. Walk. Palms, yes. Nice. Okay. Bring your knees down. Yes. Bring your knees, both knees. Bring them both down. Yes. And relax. Sharp. Nice. Well done.
Yeah.
So now, do you want to do it on the mat?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Step.
Okay, and then up, down, up,
Okay.
down. Yeah. So it's a knee up. Yeah. Okay. 1. Yes. 2. Ha. Killing it. And then kick. I'm joking. Lovely. I love it. Nice.
9.
Okay, I'm going with the minutes. Let's go.
I'm taking chances.
Let's go. Boom. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom! Nice. Begin to breathe in and out. Okay, so now we're going to do push-ups. Your favorite.
My favorite, right?
Okay, so here's what you're going to do, right? So you're going to put your arms literally slightly further from underneath your shoulder, right?
Alright.
Slightly further. And then make sure that your back and your bum are aligned, right? And then I don't want to see this.
Okay.
I want to see this.
Right.
Then you're going to go down, flat, and then you're going to lift yourself up. As you can see, the back and the bump, they are aligned together. Okay. I'm not going up like this first and then that.
Oh, okay.
See, I'm here.
Yeah.
down, up, down, up.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do it. How many is it? 5 minutes?
We'll go for 10.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Right. Yes. Just slightly up with the bum. Not too flat.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I'm just gonna come here. Just do this.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Ready? And down. Go all the way flat down. Yes. Yep. And come out. Up. Up.
Alright, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm planning on coming up.
I'm
It's
sure.
okay.
I'm sure, babes. I'm sure. I'll be there waiting. Yes. Push. 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 Yes. Yes. And down. Remember, you're going all the way down. You're not down. Yes. Up. Yes. Yes. You got it. Okay. There you go. That's 3. Yes. Yes. Love it. That's 4. 5. Nice. 6. There you go. You're doing very well. 7. 8. 9. Last one. And relax.
Ooh.
Stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Okay, let's do this. Just this. Just this. Okay. 1, yes. 2, yes. 3, core is tight, right? 4, 5. There you go. 6, yes. 7, yes. 8. Keep your core nice and tight. 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Stunning.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Okay, now we're going to stretch. Okay, we're going to stretch standing knees.
Yeah.
Okay, arms up. As you stretch and hold in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come down and to come and touch your toes or your shins, whichever one works. There you go. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly come up. Okay, you can take the arm if you want to do this, or you can just leave it there. Oh wow, look at you. Okay, cool. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slip. Okay, in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, so now what you'll do is you're going to point your toes out like that. Okay, and then come down and put your foot here. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and up. Other side. Yes. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and okay, arm up. And then you're gonna go to the side and hold. 10, yes, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
tired.